Hey, did you know that Singapore's tech sector is growing faster than a chili patty plant in a greenhouse? It's true. And today, we're diving into why this matters for your investment portfolio. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Iggy, and I've been covering topics like stocks, finance, CPF, and everything related to growing your wealth. The Investing Iguana is ranked 8th in the 2023 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers with over 800,000 reads. I've produced over 600 videos with more than 280,000 watch hours as of November 2024. I also focus on regional and world economy topics. Now, let's talk about Singapore's tech sector. It's not just about fancy gadgets and cool apps. It's a powerhouse that's reshaping our economy and creating exciting investment opportunities. Singapore has become a global tech hub, and it's not by accident. Our government has been working hard to make it happen. Take the Smart Nation initiative, for example. It's like giving our whole country a tech upgrade. We're talking about everything from digital government services to smart urban solutions. This push is attracting top talent and big investments from around the world. But it's not just about government efforts. We've got a thriving ecosystem of startups, incubators, and venture capital firms. It's like a perfect recipe for tech growth. Startups are popping up like mushrooms after rain, and they're getting the support they need to grow big and strong. Now, let's break down some key trends that are shaping our tech sector. First up, artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI isn't just a buzzword here. It's becoming as common as Kopi in a hawker center. Companies across industries are adopting AI to boost productivity and create innovative solutions. Next, we've got Fintech. Our financial technology scene is booming, especially in areas like digital payments, wealth management, and blockchain. It's like we're building the financial system of the future, right here in Singapore. And let's not forget about cybersecurity. As we become more digital, the need for strong cybersecurity grows. It's like building a high-tech fortress to protect our digital assets. This sector is seeing massive growth as companies and governments beef up their defenses. Not forget about cybersecurity. As we become more digital. Now, I know what you're thinking. Iggy, this all sounds great, but how can I invest in this tech boom? Well, I've got you covered. Let's look at 3 ways you can get a piece of this tech pie. First, there's venture capital. If you're feeling adventurous and have some cash to spare, you could invest in promising startups. It's high risk, but potentially high reward. Just remember, it's not for the faint of heart. For a more traditional approach, consider publicly listed tech companies. We've got some real gems on our stock exchange. And today, I want to highlight 3 tech stocks that I believe have potential. 1. Venture Corporation, SGX VO3. This global tech solutions provider has shown strong performance, with a net institutional inflow of $94 million in the first 8 months of 2024. They're focusing on onboarding new customers and introducing new products, which could drive future growth. 2. AEM Holdings, SGX AWX. AEM specializes in testing high-performing processors for the AI era. While their share price has faced challenges, some analysts believe they're about a generation ahead of competitors. This could position them well for future growth in the semiconductor industry. iFast Corporation, SGX AIY. This digital wealth management platform has seen impressive earnings growth recently. Their total revenue hits $93.8 million in Q2 2024, with net profit growing 4-fold year on year. Their expansion into new markets like the UK could drive further growth. Lastly, don't overlook real estate. Areas like One North and the Jurong Innovation District are becoming tech hotspots. Investing in commercial properties here could be a smart move as demand for office space in these areas grows. Now let's talk about a real-world example. Take Grab, our homegrown tech giant. They started as a ride-hailing app, and now they're a super app offering everything from food delivery to financial services. Their journey shows the potential of Singapore's tech sector. But it's not all smooth sailing. Our tech sector faces some challenges too. One big issue is talent. We need a steady stream of skilled workers to keep the innovation engine running. The government and companies are working hard on this, but it's an ongoing challenge. We're also facing stiff competition from other tech hubs in the region. Cities like Jakarta and Ho Chi Minh City are nipping at our heels. To stay ahead, we need to keep innovating and attracting global talent and investment. Another thing to watch out for is regulatory changes. The tech world moves fast, and sometimes regulations need to catch up. As an investor, you need to stay informed about these changes and how they might affect your investments. So, what's the bottom line? Singapore's tech sector offers some exciting investment opportunities. But like any investment, it comes with risks. You need to do your research, understand the market, and invest wisely. As an investor, you need to stay informed about these changes and how they might affect your investments. So, what's the bottom line? Singapore's tech sector offers some exciting investments. Here's a quick recap of what we've covered. 1. Singapore is becoming a global tech hub, driven by government initiatives and a thriving startup ecosystem. 2. Key trends include AI, Fintech, and cybersecurity. 3. You can invest through venture capital, publicly listed companies, or real estate. 4. 3 tech stocks to watch: Venture Corporation, AEM Holdings, and iFast Corporation. 5. While the opportunities are exciting, be aware of challenges like talent shortages and regulatory changes. So, what's your next move? Start by learning more about Singapore's tech sector. Check out reports from the Economic Development Board or the Infocom Media Development Authority. They're great sources of information on our tech landscape. If you're ready to dip your toes in, consider starting with a small investment in one of the tech stocks we discussed today. Remember, diversification is key, so don't put all your eggs in one basket. And hey, if you want to learn more about investing in growth sectors, check out my video on 3 hidden SGX gems crushing market returns in 2024. It's a great companion to this one and will give you a broader perspective on regional investment opportunities. Remember, investing in tech is about investing in the future. It's exciting, it's dynamic, and with the right approach, it could be a great addition to your investment portfolio. As always, invest smart, stay curious, and keep growing your wealth. See you in the next video.